In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle a situation where you need to add items to your Shein order after it's been placed. Picture this. You've just finished placing an order on Shein, and moments later, you realize you forgot a couple of items you really wanted. What do? While it's a bit tricky, there's certainly a way to approach it that might just help you get everything you want. First things first, it's important to understand that once an order is placed, Shein's system typically doesn't allow you to add additional items directly to that order. This is a common practice among many online retailers to maintain the efficiency and accuracy of the logistics process. The confirmation email you receive acts as a contract between you and Shein for the items specified, making it a finalized transaction in their eyes. However, don't worry, there's still a way to get what you were hoping for. The most straightforward solution is to place a new, separate order for the items you still want. While this might seem like doubling up on shipping or going through the process all over again, it's often the quickest and easiest way to ensure you get those must-have pieces. This process is exactly the same as the first time. Browse through the collection, select your items, add them to your cart, and check out as you normally would. Now you might be wondering about any possible options to combine the orders or adjust the shipping. This is where reaching out to Shein's customer service can be invaluable. Connecting with a representative gives you a chance to ask about any potential accommodations they might offer, such as combining shipping if both orders are still within the processing stage. Customer service representatives are often equipped with the most up-to-date information about current policies, which can sometimes vary or change based on particular circumstances or current promotional strategies. To reach Shein's customer service, you can either use the chat option on their website or app, or contact them by email. Depending on your preference, when you do reach out, explain your situation clearly and politely. Mention that you've just placed an order but need to add more items and ask if there's anything they can do to assist you. Customer service teams appreciate clarity and kindness, and this approach can sometimes yield surprisingly favorable results. So, while you can't technically add to an existing order by placing a new one and consulting with customer service, you can still navigate this situation smoothly and, with a little luck, get all the items in one go. And remember, shopping online is all about being flexible and patient, which ensures an overall stress-free experience. Enjoy your shopping spree with Shein, and happy fashioning!